Yesterday, we spent more time drafting the report. Drafting is the second stage of the writing process. Planning is the first, then drafting. Today, we're going to learn how to revise our draft. Did you know that authors write and rewrite the same text over and over again until they get it just right? We're going to do the same thing here. First, I'm going to evaluate my draft myself. I'm going to use the checklist and evaluate my own writing. The first item on our informative writing checklist is the introduction. Did I introduce the topic? And did I define and set the purpose? So let's read this. Can you imagine what it would feel like if the earth was to move or shake under your feet? Well, when that happens, it is called an earthquake. For instance, earthquakes occur about 1 time every minute all around the world. Some earthquakes are not noticed or cause huge destruction. Did I introduce the topic? Yes, I said it was about earthquakes. Did I define and set the purpose? I did. I gave a little bit more detail about earthquakes. Now I'm going to read the middle part. Earthquakes occur in the Earth's crust from 5 to 30 miles deep. The crust is made of layers of rocks called plates. Cracks in the plates are called faults. The plates are always on the move, but they only move 6 inches a year. Sometimes, as the plates move, they scrape, bump, or drag against one another along the faults, and then an earthquake happens. Did I use multiple subtopics to describe the topic? Well, I feel that could be a little bit better. Do I have a heading for each subtopic? No, I didn't need a heading here. Did I use details, facts, and definitions to describe each subtopic? I feel like we did that. Did I use quotations to describe the topic? No, that's missing. Did I use examples, illustrations, or multimedia to tell about the topic? No, I didn't. And did I use content-specific vocabulary? Yes, I did. I have crust, plates, faults, and I have a description of them bumping and dragging. And I will use this one for our closing paragraph. Just think, you are sitting at your desk working on math problems when all of a sudden the ground begins to shake. Books fly off the shelves, windows begin to break, desks and students topple over. You have just experienced an earthquake, which is one thing that I hope I never have to experience. Is the topic restated? Yes, I mentioned earthquakes again. Did I leave the reader with a message to think about? I think I sure did. And the last section is others. Did I use linking words? Yes, I did, but maybe I could add some in there. Did I group related information into paragraphs or sections? Yes, I did. Today, you are going to go through this process of evaluating your writing. Then, after you fix up your piece, you will ask your partner to evaluate your draft. It is important as an evaluator to be honest. If you mark everything as great, even if your partner is missing a piece, you will not help your partner be the best writer he or she can be.